All right, we just made it to Norfolk, Nebraska, start of the Cowboy Trail. We drove roughly 8.5 hours from Chicago. Left like 8:30. We're gonna ride, the plan is to ride about 23 miles tonight or this afternoon to Tilden and camp overnight. And then from there do more full length days. So it's beautiful. We kind of went through a big storm on the way here and it was cool and rainy, and now it's bright and sunny. So looking forward to it. We're in Zonka Park, I think it is. This is the overnight parking spots for the Cowboy Trail users. So there you have it. This is the start of the Cowboy Trail. I think I may also just call the local police department and let them know that my truck's going to be here for about 10 days. The plan is to ride the complete Cowboy Trail, what's open anyway because of all the bad storms we had in the spring, and then ride Highway 20 before we jet north into the Black Hills of South Dakota and exit into Rapid City, where we'll get a rental car to come back here. So should be a good trip. Probably average about 55 miles a day. We have, I think, the longest day is 70 miles and the shortest is 45. So should be a blast. We're gonna get the bike set up and take off. I got my buddy Jody with. Say hi, Jody.
Hi.
He'll be joining me this trip. So I better get packed up. All right, so it's go time. We're all packed up, got some water in the shower house that's up there. Got a faucet and drinking fountain. Jody's got his new bike on its maiden tour, Trek 520 with disc brakes. I got my trusty horse, my steed, my space horse, all ready to go. And I got this funky ass hat. I know it's always sunny out here and there's not a lot of trees and shade, so that's what I got. See how it works. It's called the Brim. Hoping it will be good for not only sun but also in the rain. Wearing glasses in the rain is kind of a pain, so hopefully it'll stop some of that too, stop the moisture from getting on my glasses. But all right, 23 miles we go. Well, looks like we might not make it before the rain starts. It's looking rather ominous with 5 miles to go. Just starting to sprinkle. Almost there too. We'll see how our luck pans out. All right, so great news. Hopefully it's not too windy. We missed out on the rain and we made it to Tilden. I think it's 9 o'clock, which is sunset, but the wind really picked up the last 4 miles. And that hat was nothing but a big airfoil trying to lift my head off my neck. This place is cool. It's the campground in the town here. And that's the bathhouse, and not just toilets in there, but they also have a shower, which is just awesome. and they have water over there and grills, and there's also a restaurant right over there that might take advantage of tonight for dinner. The branding iron or iron skillet, branding iron. It's called the branding iron. So nice little gazebo or nice little shelter here too to get set up.
That's what makes it really.
What should we do?
Sleep on the benches.
Yeah, the benches.
Oh yeah.
There's chalk here too, so if we get creative,
Tic-tac-toe.
tic-tac-toe,
Yeah.
draw sharks, whatever.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna get set up before it's dark and get some grub. Very dark in here.